sidewalk side.
Confirm.
Thanks for riding with Cruise.
Checking the doors and the seatbelts.
Let's cruise.
All right, come on. Oh, there's
Heading
no one
to new
behind us, so there's no rush.
Yeah. Wow.
21 minutes away.
For only $1 extra, incredible.
Dude. Oh, wow.
Stationary lane change.
Lane
that was
change.
nice.
Good.
Wow, look at this route. That's a crazy route. I must take a photo of this amazing route.
Yeah, this has got to be one of the worst routes I've done in cruise. Someone told us that there was a second crossing in Golden Gate Park, but I guess this pretty much confirms that they only have one.
Is this not accessible to cars, or it is accessible to cars? Helping your car move through this spot. Why do we need help?
Wait,
your ride is back on track.
Okay.
We'll be here if you need us.
Dude, I hate it when the remote assistance is like so brief that I can't even start my camera and get a picture of it.
Pretty slow. 10, 9, 8. Oh, speed bump. Oh, good night vision.
Maybe it's now
AKA HD map.
Maybe it's now lazy for speed bumps too, like this. Whatever.
Do you hear those sounds? I feel like that's sensor cleaning.
Huh.
I heard like slight buzzing for a hot sec.
Maybe we can crack a window open with that.
Do you hear that?
Yeah, that.
It happens.
It's like, it sounds like it's coming from
the roof.
Yeah.
But what could, yeah.
I think you're right. I think it is sensor cleaning.
Oh, why? What is happening? All right. A little hesitation there. But
Rained on.
Man, I can't believe this trip only costs $1 more.
I mean, we are trying to burn time, so we could maybe spend another $1 to come back around to this corner.
What a life hack.
Yeah, sorry GM, that you have to burn your money on our stupidity. It's too bad we can't see the sensor cleaning in action, because like we can't stick our heads out the window or it'll stop the ride.
Okay, let's look up the Google Maps way of doing this. Say we wanted to go to, oh, I mean, duh, it would just take the directions. Yo, 3 minutes.
Oh my god.
And many other ways also. Like,
yeah.
Like,
can you send me that screenshot? Put it in the video.
this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty funny.
Here, I send.
The forecast does not say that the rain is increasing, so
Is that
now that we found this very cost-effective route, we can just keep spamming this route.
Yeah.
It's a pretty lazy green as well. Like, I don't know. I feel like the cruise vehicles were punchier in the past.
Is that a puddle? Or what was that sound?
I don't know. I didn't see what we ran out for. It's also kind of wild how in San Francisco, like, you know, between 20 minutes, like between like 10:20 and now, which is 10:35, there's so many fewer cars on this road.
Oh, and a little creep forward on the red light. Okay.
I wonder if it'll take us. Oh, that's a brake tap.
Oh, well, another one. Speedy boy on our right.
It's consistently hitting 23.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Oh, little jerk there. Oh,
Yeah, good thing I ate my dinner a while ago. I do actually feel a bit sick.
sad. You could open the window.
Yeah, but then we would get rained on. Is this? Oh, this is unprotected multi-lane left turn.
Oh, that's exciting.
Or maybe it is protected.
It's still hopping on the red light.
Oh my god. Because they totally could have turned right into this neighborhood and come back out.
All right. Are you sure there's no green arrow eventually?
Yeah, there might be a green arrow. I don't know that for sure.
Green arrow.
Oh,
They know what they're doing. Easy.
turns out the mapping team is good, apparently. So I think the next road is the one where it's like pitch black, and last time I was driving 15, right? Like after this turn.
Very
We're creeping up to
lazily
the stop sign
approaching.
at 2 miles an hour.
And we're going.
We're going, yep. Okay, we're doing 22 now.
Okay,
that's
they
good.
fixed the map data.
Yeah, that's right. Because we did look it up later, and we found that this does have a 25 mile per hour speed limit.
Yeah. Speed bump. Nice.
Another cruise. Cruise vehicles are perhaps the only cars that legitimately use this road to cross the park. Because everyone else would just take the Highway 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a sharp left turn.
Yeah, but it's a sharp autonomy software, so it's got it handled okay. Oh no!
What?
We
Oh,
spoke too
speed?
soon. Now it's driving at 14.
Oh, okay. Well, you know, gotta be safe. Gotta drive hella slow.
Yeah.
I mean, it is a little bit of a bumpy road, but
yeah. So I was thinking either it's a comfort issue or maybe like it's dark, so the remote operator has a harder time monitoring this car, so they want it to drive slower.
yeah,
But
I don't know.
I don't that one seems a bit far-fetched, just because they drive through some pretty dark neighborhoods as well.
Yeah.
But it was just that stretch as well. Now it's back up to 23.
Yeah, I feel like it's just bad map. Someone put in the wrong speed for one lane segment.
Yeah. If that's the case, it's a pretty low-hanging fruit, and this is the only Golden Gate Park crossing they have, so I don't know.
Well, they probably don't have a good feedback mechanism. Like, most people are not going to be like, on this particular stretch.
Yeah. But I am not most people.
Okay, but do you give feedback to them via their app?
That's true. No, you know, they gotta watch
They can
every
watch the
minute of
video.
every YouTube video that's made about cruise.
Okay, now we're sailing. Speed bump.
Oop. Although I gotta say, the park at night is a pretty uninteresting driving scenario.
Yeah, it's pretty boring. We don't have to go all the way there. We could change a destination.
But it only costs $1.
Okay. Like, how much would it be to go to Deviz?
To go to Deviz?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Like Suvla, I think, is one place you could punch in.
Should. Suvla.
Let's look at the updated cost.
14 to 21.
$7. I mean, I'm down to pay $7.
Sure.
I think that will be less boring. This
So
will be
how is it gonna
super
get
boring.
to Deviz? Maybe. I wonder if I can get it to go down Oak again.
Oh?
Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll see what happens when you're inside a cruise vehicle when their back-end service goes down.
They're all closed, so what do we do?
If you want to be the first to see it, don't forget to subscribe.